Hi, well, this is what guacamole looks like. I like it. Of course, I'm picturing it, the walls being trimmed down and the rafters being, it's, I don't know, it's called quickening grass. And I might actually do the base tomato, so I can have guacamole, tomato, and onion. I don't know, stupid idea, but I sort of like it. I'm gonna have to put another coat because some spots are just kind of not sticking too good. There's the door. I trimmed it down today to better fit. So guacamole. Some sort of light colored green for the rafters. And I don't know about the base. Maybe I'll do jalapeno. I have guacamole, jalapeno, and onion color. Could be a hot chicken coop. The rafters, like I said, are going to be a very light green. And for my roof, I ordered some, I guess they're like plastic or poly something, roof rafters, not rafters, but cover uppers. And they're called Misty Green. So that's what I'm doing. I'm not sure how to measure that angle. It's a triangle at the top of this plyboard. I guess it follows the line of the rafter. I mean, all I can do is make a template on the inside and cut it according to the template. And that's all I can do. I measured both ends of these rafters, and I decided I wanted 13 inches poking out of both sides, front and back. And I have to do the birds beak cut. But I found a video online that's so easy to do that. So I think I will do that. Instead of making this the chicken run door, I think I'm going to make this the chicken